How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at 160 degrees viewing angle mirror. Pretty much looks like that right there, as you can see, and it also looks like that on my car, which I already installed. It's right there. You can see it kind of looks like a light bar to me. Anyways, instructions are in the back. Super simple. You really don't even need this if you guys already know how to do it. I didn't need this. I didn't look at any of this stuff. But I'll show you guys what I did. Once you get in the car, you take a look and you see that my flip visors are gone. So you're gonna have to take those out. You don't have to take these if you don't want, but I just left them in there because if I take them out, it's gonna look ugly. And I also feel like it keeps, you know, the carpet, or not the carpet, but the top up. So that's how I felt. I just left them in there. But you can see there's screws here where one of the brackets goes, and the other one does too. That one did have a light, but I don't even think my thing's turned on anyways, so I just disconnected it. I can always chop it down, that way there's not a wire hanging there. But check this out, looks pretty dope. If you're a right-hand drive car, you just pretty much have to flip it over. And yeah, so what I did here, check this out. I'm not gonna take it apart and install it again, but there's what I did. It comes with all the hardware you need. Kind of has like a little L bracket and then a straight bracket. Pretty much have to put, you know, a nut and a bolt on there. Screw that it originally came, I use the same ones from the brackets. There's that one again. So yeah, I mean, what do I think about it? Like, whenever I'm sitting in the car driving, I can see everything. Look at that, you can see all the way from like literally everywhere. A lot of people use them for drifting, which it is a drift build, so obviously that's what I'm going to be using it for, just in case I ever go into competitions. I know where the other cars behind me. I mean, it also comes with these little holes right there, 1 and 2 over there. You can also mount it somewhere, maybe like right there, because that also lines up straight to the middle ones. But yeah, check this out. I just wanted to make a quick video review. I think it's pretty awesome. I mean, it only cost me $20, and you guys won't believe where I got it. I literally got it at AutoZone, so check that out. I think it's pretty cool, and I just passed inspection with it, so I mean, it's street legal. They didn't say anything, at least where I live. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. Let's go see if you can notice it from the front of the car. Not really. I mean, if you stare hard enough, you will, but like if you were just stand right in front of it, you can tell there's something there. But I think it looks pretty cool. I might sticker bomb the back, that way it looks pretty drifty-ish, I guess, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, got it inspected. This is the car I'm going to be using for school. If you're watching this video and you're going to school with me, what's up? Anyways, all right, see you guys later.